Hey guys, welcome to iSpecs. In this video, I will be reviewing the Premiere Pro title pack called the Unlimited Title Pack provided by Digital Products669, a videohive author. This pack has more than 200 title templates of 9 different categories, and these titles are all .mogot files, so you can very easily customize them for your need within Premiere Pro itself. Check out the link in the description if you wish to see more information of this pack. Now I will show you how to use these titles and how to customize to make them suitable for your project. So after importing these files into Premiere Pro, you will see them here in the Essential Graphics panel. If you want to know how to organize motion graphic templates in Premiere Pro, click on this card available at the top right of your screen. After finding the title which suits for your video project from the list of these titles of 9 different categories, drag it into the timeline and place anywhere you need in the sequence timeline. All these titles are 4K 60fps ready. You can also use them on whichever resolution you have up to 4K. So once you import to the timeline, it will ask you to change the sequence settings if your sequence is other than 4K 60fps. I have 1080p 30fps sequence here, so I will keep the existing sequence settings and it will automatically convert the title to match the existing 1080p 30fps settings. And if you click on the change the sequence settings, it will change the sequence settings to 4K 60fps, which these titles comes with. So since I have chosen existing sequence settings, the title looks scaled up a bit. To fix this, you can either scale down in Effects Control panel or just right click on the title in timeline and click on Scale to Frame Size to perfectly scale by itself. Because these titles are of very high quality, they may take a little more time to render based on your machine capabilities, and it's fine when you get a high quality output. Once it's done importing into the timeline, it's time to customize as you want. While the title is selected in the timeline, go to the Essential Graphics panel and here click on Edit. You can play with all the available options here to make it for your video. You can set the duration of the title, remove the background, scale, change the positions, change the text, and also you can choose the font you prefer and type of the font and the size, and each and every color can be changed. And even the social media icons available here, as you can see, can be changed in here in Premiere Pro itself without going to After Effects. Here is a preview clip of these titles. Click on the link provided in the description for more information and pricing of this pack. And also, if you are looking for a different product for your project, Digital Products669 on videohive have them for you. You can choose between their vast number of Premiere Pro and After Effects templates for your projects. That's it. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do, like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.